U.S. indices continue to look vulnerable. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Nest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Nasdaq 100 has broken through an uptrend line in pre-market trading on Tuesday, but it does look as if the market is trying to bounce a bit. All things being equal, this is the market testing this major trend line that's been intact for the middle part of May all the way to now. So I think all things being equal, this is a market that if we can break above the 50-day EMA and then perhaps the 25,000 level, if we can break above the 25,000 level, then I think that would be very bullish for the Nasdaq 100. If we cannot, then I think we'll test 24,000. The Dow Jones 30 has fallen pretty significantly during the early hours on Tuesday, but really at this point, I think you've got a situation where we are in the midst of trying to break through the bottom of the uptrending channel that we've been in for months now, but we'll just have to wait and see. I do think that any bounce from here that recaptures the 50-day EMA could be interesting for a value play. We'll just have to wait and see. Volume is picking up a little bit, so it does show a little bit of fear, but at the end of the day, I think we're still in an uptrend. It's just a matter of, can we go now, or do we need to pull back a little bit and find a little bit more value? The S&P 500 has broken down a bit in early trading here on Tuesday, as it looks like we are trying to break through the 6,650 level. If we do continue to the downside, it could open up a move down to 6,500. A turnaround from here would be impressive, but at the very least, we would have to recapture the 50-day EMA to start thinking about buying. If that happens, then the 6,800 level would be your next resistance barrier. Again, I think most of this is just panic and nonsense in the markets. It seems like every few weeks we have to go through this and then we go higher. I really don't see much changing at the moment, other than people are whining about the Federal Reserve possibly not cutting rates, and no cheap money, no easy money on Wall Street, and this is what you get. We'll just have to wait and see. Nonetheless, I'm not shorting this. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.